Smartsheet versus nTask, two powerhouse project management tools, but only one can truly meet your needs. On one side, Smartsheet, known for its flexibility and spreadsheet-like interface. On the other, nTask, the intuitive platform built for teams who want it all. We're putting them head-to-head on the things that matter most: task management, collaboration, pricing, integrations, and overall usability. Let's get past the marketing hype and focus on what really counts. Every category will be scored, and by the end, you'll know exactly which tool comes out on top. And trust me, the winner may surprise you. Let's dive in. Here's a quick roadmap of what we're comparing. Price, because honestly, who doesn't care about that? Features, integrations, user experience, collaboration, security and compliance, and the overall ecosystem. It's a lot, I know, but trust me, by the end, you'll have a clear winner in mind. Okay, kicking things off with price, because, let's be real, budget kinda sets the tone for everything. So, nTask actually takes the lead here. It's way more affordable, with simple monthly plans and even a free tier if you're just testing the waters. Smartsheet, on the other hand, is definitely skewed towards bigger budgets. Think enterprise pricing, and yeah, it can get a little complex with all the licensing. Cool side note, Smartsheet does offer discounts for education and nonprofits, but honestly, if you're a small team, that price tag can sting a bit. Now, jumping over to features, here is where Smartsheet flexes hard. It's got all the heavy hitters, from advanced automation and workflow templates to reporting dashboards and resource management. The trade-off? There's a bit of a learning cliff when you first jump in. nTask is no slouch though. Like, it covers Kanban boards, Gantt charts, and task timesheets right out of the box. But for big, complex setups or automated workflows, Smartsheet totally runs the show. Up next, integrations. Smartsheet just kinda goes off the charts here, honestly. We're talking deep connections with Microsoft, Google Workspace, Salesforce, Slack, Jira, and even things like DocuSign. And if you're a bit techie, there's an extensive API you can use. Although, heads up, you might need your IT squad for setup. nTask does integrations too, but it's more basic. Think Google Calendar, Slack, Teams, and Zapier for pretty much everything else. Totally fine for most teams, just not as robust if you're an enterprise. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Smartsheet actually started out as a simple spreadsheet tool back in 2006? Now it's running workflows for Fortune 500 companies. Talk about a major glow-up. Moving into user experience. Alright, here's a twist. nTask actually takes the point. Its interface is super modern and approachable, perfect for folks who just want to sign up and get working with almost zero hassle. Smartsheet is definitely, well, spreadsheet heavy. If you love Excel-like stuff, you'll vibe with it. If not, it might feel a little clunky. Customization is great, but it can overwhelm new users. Let's talk collaboration. And honestly, this one's a tie. Both platforms totally get that teams need comments, mentions, file sharing, approvals, the usual. nTask even throws in live chat, which is pretty neat for quick back and forths. The biggest difference? Smartsheet gets a little complex and might require some training to get everyone up to speed, while nTask keeps everything light and simple. So really, it comes down to your team's vibe. On to security and compliance. This is where Smartsheet shines. It's got the big guns, SOC 2, ISO 27001 certifications, SSO, HIPAA, the works. Stuff like this matters if you're handling sensitive data or big clients. The catch is, high-grade security comes at a higher price. nTask ticks the basics. SSL, roles, permissions, but doesn't go much further in terms of compliance. So, if your industry's strict, Smartsheet is the safer bet. And finally, the ecosystem. Smartsheet has been around, so there's a big old marketplace, tons of community resources, and endless training material. Seriously, you can find people geeking out about this everywhere. It's mostly geared toward big companies, but hey, the resources are out there. nTask has an active blog and support desk, but it's still building out that larger following and third-party ecosystem. Okay, quick recap. Let's visualize this. If you plotted all these categories on a chart, you'd see Smartsheet dominating in features, integrations, advanced security, and ecosystem. nTask shoots ahead in price and user friendliness, with both matching up pretty strong on collaboration. So here's my take. If you're managing huge projects and need every feature under the sun, plus airtight compliance, Smartsheet is why all those enterprise folks rave about it. But if you're just trying to keep a small team synced up without breaking the bank, nTask could be the smarter play. It all comes down to your needs, but for big organizations, yeah, Smartsheet takes the win. If you found this comparison insightful, hit subscribe for more smart tech matchups. I've got plenty more tool breakdowns coming your